In the depths of silence, where echoes remain, you were the sunrise, and I was the rain. A collision of souls, opposing in flight. I was the darkness, you yearned for the light.
We're in Tbilisi, and this is our room. This is the bathroom, and the shower, always big. It's our luggages, need to unpack. This is our room, and we're all the way in downtown. So this is our view, the city. Ta-da! Tbilisi.
Tbilisi now. Tbilisi. Hey there. What's up?
We booked a couple of excursions here in Tbilisi, and also in the old capital of Georgia.
Yes.
And we're going ready. Actually, we're going ready. We're getting ready to go now, and we're gonna bring you with us. Yes.
This is the one. Yeah.
You told me not to change my mind. I did not, but the weather did.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah.
Come on. Stop it.
Narikala, and during the Soviet Union, first of all, this place was constructed when Tbilisi was based. So it happened in 5th century, back when they shifted the capital from Tbilisi. So whenever we had the wars, they used to hide women and children inside the churches, and men used to fight for themselves. So if you look around, the old churches that we have are mostly on top of the mountain.
And the old
or
one
are
also?
fortresses. Yes. Now, up there, a lot of them used to purchase their own tickets for the way back, and they used to come back. Nowadays, because of the reconstruction, the walking route is closed. So whenever we want to get up to the mountain, we have to take the top of the
This is our breakfast, and we're waiting for eggs. The hotel here is so pretty. This is the area where we have breakfast. Imagine. Super cute. And this is downstairs, another restaurant. And that's the lobby. Hello! Look here! We've taken the unusual way for us, not the one that yesterday we went through with our tour guide. And we just keep on finding these cute places. Like when you go left or right from the main street, you'll end up in this kind of gardens or yards. Right now we're next to some church. There's so many churches in Georgia. Like every kilometer there's a church. There's a lot of place to sit. There's benches. There's a lot of flowers. It's spring right now. We're just enjoying so much.
Oh, finally a place to sit. Oh. This is walnut. Smells like this.
How does it smell?
Smells gross. I wonder if the other colors of roses smells like this. How does it differ? Hey guys, so now we are in Clock Tower. There is a famous cafe. It's called Gabriadze Cafe. So we're gonna try some of their dishes and drinks.
This is kachapuri. This is cappuccino, and this is raf.
Coffee.
Enjoy. So good. By the way, Tbilisi is a very comfortable city for walking. We haven't taken any taxi or any other transportation during our 2 day stay in Tbilisi. Even though Tbilisi has a metro, they have buses, they have very affordable prices for taxis, but we just didn't feel like we needed because everywhere you can go by walk. While you walk in, you see these beautiful places, and there's a lot of walking pedestrians way. They're so easy to cross the road. Everywhere you go, there's benches, so you can just sit down if you get tired. During these 2 days, we walked more than 25,000 steps. We were just going where our eyes can see without Google Map or anything else. Just, go all the way straight, turn left, turn right, and you can find some beautiful, amazing views. And this is not even a touristic spot. We were just going all the way down the street, finding all these churches with the beautiful yards, gardens, and there's so many places to take a picture, to take a video, just to sit, relax, rewind. I cannot not suggest you take a walk in Tbilisi. Do not take metro or taxi, just go for a walk. Believe me, you're gonna enjoy it just as much as we did. Georgia is a Christian Orthodox country, and they have so many churches. Like literally every kilometer you find a church, bigger, smaller. And right now we are in Tbilisi, the biggest church in the city. Look at this. On the top, it's all pure gold. It's very beautiful here. This whole area around the church. So many beautiful flowers, mostly roses. Different kind of roses, different kind of colors. Look at this. So gorgeous. And a lot of birds that are tripping.
Yes.
So quiet here. Like we just turned from the main street and we're in the place where local lives.
Yes.
It's downtown. Like it's for sure expensive here, but it's very local preserved buildings. You can see they're very old, but that's the charm. Show you is all the way on the top over there, and now we have to go all the way down. Like it's very high. This is how people live here on very different levels. See? Higher, lower. Daniel found something to smell.
Smells good. It's jasmine.
Oh yeah, it looks like. We have to go down here. The small stairs. Let's go. It was raining, but we still went out. I think it's not raining anymore.
No.
No.
It's our last night here
We did some shopping.
for
And then-
souvenirs.
Yeah. Then we're going home, pack our luggages, sleep, and tomorrow we have flight. It was nice vacation, but we have to go back and
like
earn
it
money. Earn money for next vacation.
Georgia, you've been real.
Yeah, we'll be back.
We'll be back. Oh, that's the dream that was telling.